A press statement issued by the Ministry of the Prime Minister and Cabinet stated, to date no transaction of reimbursement of the Prime Minister's travel and medical cost has happened. The press statement issued is to correct a Samoa Observer article that said Cabinet reimbursed Prime Minister's medical treatment in 2025. The statement said the article saying the alleged reimbursement of the Honourable Prime Minister's Medivac and treatment cost in September last year is incorrect. In September last year, the Prime Minister was airlifted to Auckland for urgent treatment. All his travel and medical costs were funded by his family. Pursuant to government policy, the Prime Minister is entitled to medical check and treatment in New Zealand, fully funded under the Samoa Overseas Treatment Scheme. However, due to the government's financial situation at the time and urgency of his treatment, the Prime Minister confirmed that his family was financing all his travel and medical costs. In view of government policy, Cabinet in September last year approved reimbursement of the Prime Minister's travel and medical cost. However, upon the Prime Minister's return in November, he confirmed that his family had settled his treatment and travel cost and that he would seek no reimbursement from government. This was also announced publicly in one of his press conferences in November 2025. To date, no transaction or reimbursement of the Prime Minister's travel and medical cost has happened, the statement clarified. For more details on this and other of our stories, visit our news website on talamor.com. This is Jenny Benhuru of Talamor Media.